Guys, I'm the catcher, guys. It's part 3 of hide and seek, so I'm the catcher. Done? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go! And we go here. 1, 2, 3. Go. Go. Time for it. I found you, Rusty. I found you. I found Edris. I found you.
Oh no, let's go close our second hiding spots. Okay?
See those out.
I'll go.
See, Rusty.
Let's hide.
Hide. Here. Dito nga ako. Bahala na kayo. Hindi.
Not yet.
Wait lang. Wait lang. Not here. Wait lang, not here. Not here. You are looking. No! So who did you find first?
You.
Huh?
You.
Bakit ako?
Start again, okay?
Di ba I found address? Di ba she...
Ulit.
Ulit.
Tikpit natin to.
Literally.
Hide. Ang ano ko?
Let's go.
1, 2, 3, 4.
5. Wait, no! Ay, nilaman niya pala.
Hindi pa.
Let's go na.
Not yet. Go. Not yet. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go. Not yet. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go. Not yet. Go.
You found address. Massage. Who's the one? Ikaw, address. Wait lang. Ako na.
Hindi pa. Say go if I say go to. Go.
Hindi.
Hindi pa. Wait. Please not here. Say go. Go.
No.
Ay, kita ka na. Wala. Nakam.
Acha.
Saan siya? What? I'm sorry. Hello.
What was that monster? Black Boss be like. Si Black Boss.
Tao doon sa ano nakalpo kaya.
Sino na?
Ako.